Hey everyone, Steve from Duke Sports Shop. Check this out. This one's going on a gun broker. It's a Glock 43X. This is the silver slide with the black lower. You get a total of 3 magazines, 2 Glock magazines. They're 10 rounders. You get Shield Arms 15 round magazine. You get a Streamlight TLR6 on it. This one's just the light. As you can see here, light does work. Overall, really good condition. Got night sights. And you get the light bearing holster in the waistband holster. It's going on our gunbroker account for $499.99. Go to DukeSportsShop.com, click on live auctions, and you can take a bid. Thanks for watching.